I'm Joe. I'm the manager of material testing lab here at the Moldex 3D. It is my great pleasure to introduce you to material properties and what we can do here at Moldex 3D to serve our customers to take advantage of the material properties. So plastic materials are the fundamental of injection moldings. Actually, for many applications, and we found it that the material properties is very often intriguing, but also a black box for the injection molding process. And one of the mysteries is about the rheological properties of these materials. Very often, we hear the customers say that plastic materials is key in the injection molding industries. Actually, it's a key in many other applications. And we found the material properties to be very intriguing as well as mystery. For the injection moldings. And the reason is that we often hear our customers complain to us for the lack of understanding of the materials that they are using. And sometimes they ask us if they can use generic properties for their injection molding simulations. And the answer is often yes, you can use substitute materials. But it all depends on to what accuracies or to what extent you want your injection molding simulations to achieve. And material properties often play a very important role in achieving a very successful injection molding simulations. So that means that all the materials, even within the same grades for the same companies, they might exhibit slight different material properties, be it the rheological properties, thermal properties, or any other related material properties. And only when we have the accurate material properties, then we are confident to say our simulation outcomes is the most accurate, taking into considerations of all the factors. And the factors being, okay, the material properties, the injection molding machine, and also the injection molding process. So that's a very crucial and important aspect of the injection molding simulations. And very often when we have customers coming back to us complaining or reflecting on the back simulation data, the very first place that we check is how accurate or how good is your material data. And very often they use outdated material data, or they use generic material data while trying to get the very good simulation outcomes.